Hello everyone, welcome to tilottamahandloom.in. I am Chaitali. Today I am going to show you our Dhakai Jamdani saree collections. All these sarees are pure handloom sarees and very lightweight. You can use for your every occasions as those people who are like to wear lightweight sarees. So let's start. This is our first saree. This is grey with pink combination. It's dark pink on the both side border and have the small long temples on it. The borders have the long temples. It's golden border and temples on the golden zari border. And all over her body have the golden buttas. It's very classy look, and as it's soft jamdani. It's very lightweight also. It's very soft one. It's silk finish. This saree is a silk finish. Its pallu is in this design. You can check the pallu is this design. The jamdani sarees are without blouse pieces. These are handloom saree. This saree price is 1950. Today all the sarees which I am showing today, all the sarees are 1950 range. People who like to purchase these sarees, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. WhatsApp number is 7890721700. If you purchase 2 sarees from this episode, you will get 100 rupees discount with a free shipping. This is first saree. Saree price is 1950. The next saree. The next saree is the same saree. Body color is it's butter color. It's off-white butter color. It's yellowish off-white. And the borders are red. Both side border have the same golden zari border with a red small piping on the borders. And all over the saree have the golden buttas on it. It's very beautiful color. You can match it with any red designer blouse with it. It's very classy look. This is the body. All over the body have the same golden buttas all over the body. And this is the red pallu. Pallu is very beautiful, red pallu, it's contrast. All these Dhakai Jamdanis are the handloom sarees and these sarees are without blouse pieces. It's 5.5 meter. This is the next saree. This is next saree and the saree price is 1950. This is our next saree. It's very beautiful color. It's dark grey body with a golden zari butta all over the body and the border is dark maroon with a red, small red piping on it. And have the small long temples with the golden zari work on the borders. Both sides have this same border. See the borders. It's very beautiful one. This is the border and this is all over the saree. Have the same grey color with the golden motifs on it. Small buttas and this very soft saree without starch finish. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. This saree is without blouse piece. Saree price is 1950. If you like to purchase these sarees, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. WhatsApp number 7890721706. And if you like 2 saree and if you like to purchase 2 sarees, you will get 100 rupees discount in one purchase. And shipping is free all over India. This is another very beautiful color of its green. It's soft shade of green. It's pastel shade of green. It's pista green color and all over the body have the small buttas. Body buttas are used with the zari and the yellow and the pink thread on it. All over the body have the same small buttas on it. Have the it's multicolored temple on the borders, both side border and the pink pallu. The motifs, Kolka mango motifs are the pink color in this pallu. This saree is also without blouse piece. Saree price is 1950. This is pure red, very beautiful color this one. It's red with a golden zari border. It looks very nice and buttas is golden color. All over the body have the small buttas all over the body and the borders is the small lines. It's all small temples on the borders. It's long temples on the borders and this is the pallu. This is the pallu. Red pallu with a golden meenakari work on it. This saree price is also 1950, 1950. If you purchase 2 sarees, then you get 100 rupees discount in total bill and free shipping all over India. This is another color. another design. The price range is same, 1950, 1950. Sari color is pastel shade of green, and the multicolor border, multicolor temple on the borders. Both sides have the multicolor temple, and it has the yellow, white and pink color used in the border. It's long temple on the borders, and the multicolor buttas all over the body. It's soft jamdani, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu. This soft jamdani is a silk cotton jamdani. The sari price is 1950. This is the all the saris are pure handloom. The next sari body color is grey, and all the body have the multicolor buttas on it, red, yellow, golden buttas, and the golden meenakari work in this butta also. And the temple are used, the 3 multicolor temple on the both side border. This is very beautiful, elegant look of this saree. You can pair it with any color of the blouses of this. This saree price is 1950. This is the pallu. The 3 color are used in the pallu. Flower motifs, and in the flower meenakari work, golden zari meenakari work also in the pallu. It's very soothing color, very fine finishing also. This saree price is 1950. If you like to purchase, just take a screenshot of the saree and send it to 7890721706. Again, I am saying, if you like to purchase 2 sarees from our video, then you can get 100 rupees discount in total and free shipping all over India. This is another color of the Dam Jamdani. Its body color is light off-white, yellowish off-white, and the shade of the multicolor butta have the purple, pink and yellow, green shades. It's soothing, very soothing color, and the border are used the temples, the long temples, the 3 color used in the temple also. This is the saree look. It has a little bit starch finish on it. This saree is little starch finish on it. People who like little bit starch finish jamdani, they can purchase this saree. It's very soothing saree, and you can gift it to your mom, your mother-in-law also. They can like it. It's very nice color. This saree price is also 1950. This is our next saree. This saree is a half and half saree. The first half of the saree is this light orange shade, and the second half of the saree is a mauve color. The patli part of the saree is in mauve color. The same saree, the same butta, and only the color difference. Second half of the saree is a mauve color. If you like this saree, you can WhatsApp us. I will show you the model look, how the saree look after wearing. I will show you. This is the saree look. This saree price is 1950. It has a little bit starch finish on it. It's semi-starch finish jamdani. The saree pallu is this. This is the pallu design. All these sarees are the without blouse pieces. You can pair it up with any color of the blouse which are used in the body. This saree price is 1950. If you like to purchase next saree, the color is light green with a yellow combination. This very soothing color. It has a little starch finish on it. It's semi-starch finish saree, and the border is the long temple. Use the long temple in the borders. Both side border yellow with a green yellow with a white combination. Long temples on the both side border. Very beautiful border. And the saree is all over have the small buttas with the yellow and the white combination, and small meenakari work inside the buttas. It's golden meenakari work inside the buttas. All these sarees are 1950 price, and sarees are without blouse pieces. This is the pallu. You can wear it with the self color body color blouse, or otherwise you can use it with a yellow blouse also. It looks very nice. If you like to purchase 2 sarees from our this episode, then you can get 100 rupees discount in total bill and free shipping all over India. And if you like our sarees, you will have to like our videos. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. Happy shopping with us.